Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be telling you about a website which is made up of Node.js, Express, Socket.io and Webrtc. Basically it's a website where you can take pictures from your web camera and also you can record videos also. So it's a very good utility kind of a website which is made in Socket.io and Webrtc concept in Node.js and Express. So the URL is Pixet.com. I have given the link in the video description. You can go to this website and click on the Get Started Now button, and you can perform two options. Either you can just edit a existing photo, or you can take out. You click this option, Use Camera, to grant the permission for your camera here, web camera. And after granting the permission, you will see your face. And now there are some options here in this interface. I will guide you. So this is the filters option. Here you can see you can apply various filters here to your existing web camera. So you will see it supports various filters here, so you can try out, play with these filters like this. Very funny filters out there. So after selecting your filter here, you can just select here, click the flash button. You can also have flash here, or you can flip this vertically like this. You can see, flip it vertically, or you can flip it horizontally like this. So it supports all the options. And now you can click this camera button to take a picture here like this. So now you can save this photograph, or you can share this photograph Twitter, Tumblr or VK social networks. I will save this onto my machine here. JPG image is stored. If I open this image, you will see a photograph has been successfully stored on the PC. So if I open this, I will see this JPG image. So very simple process. And in order to go back, just click this button, and you can even record a video as well by clicking this button like this. If I click this button, it will also use your microphone, allow the access. After that, it will, you can see, now you just need to click this button to start recording. So it is start recording your video. At any point of time you need to stop the recording, you can click this button again. So you can see your video is ready. And now to download this, simply click this button and click this download button to download a file here. If you play this file, you will see your video playing like this. So great website. Definitely check out this if you want to record videos from your webcam. And now let me just show you. You can even select the quality as well. You can switch to 720 quality like this. You can even change the aspect ratio as well. The default is 16:9, which is the YouTube videos. You can change this to like this, 4:3. 4:3 I think is Instagram. So you can just check out the aspect ratio as well. So you can flip the camera as well like this. You can have another camera as well, but I will be having my web camera selected. And now let me just show you how to edit a existing photograph. So but you can even set timer as well. So you will see take picture after 3 seconds, 3 2 1, and then it will take the picture. So you can even set timers as well. It is 5 seconds, so you can see 5 4 3 2 1 like this. And this is a 10-second timer. You can see 10 8 7 6. So it definitely support more timers. You can see the timers demo here. And then it supports this photo collage as well, so you can select like this. You can see, so definitely you can just make your own collage as well. So it's a great website. Definitely check out this. So if you want to save this, you can just save this photograph. Just click on the save button, and this is your collage photo. So basically, you can see that a group of photographs, one, two, three, four. So you can just take different poses of photographs and then merge these photographs into a single one. So definitely a very good utility kind of a website. You can apply various filters as well, like this, and you can even import your photographs as well. Use photo option is also there. So here you can upload your own photographs as well from your PC if you have one. So I will select this photo. I think, let me just select here. Let me select this light shot here. So you can see this is a photo here. You can see, you can select here photographs. So in this way, guys, you can edit your photographs as well. So thanks very much for watching this video. If you like this video, then please hit the like button, subscribe the channel, and definitely check out my free media tools website, which is a utility kind of a website I run on internet, and I daily add some tools here on it. So definitely check out this website. So also join the Facebook group as well, so which has got 24 members already. So I will be seeing you in the next